Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Napakaraming bumubusina dito sa neighborhood namin. Pero, samahan nyo kami because today we're going to Binondo. Ano ba gagawin sa Binondo? May bibili na ulit ako. Kakain din ako. Ay, kakain din kami. So, samahan nyo kami today. Magko-commute tayo gamit ang jeepney. So, yun. Let's go! Hi guys, we are at our first stop today. This is Master Hopia. And the reason why nag-stop kami dito is because ito yung binibili na hopia ng lola ko every time na magsisimba siya sa Quiapo Church every Friday. So this is childhood memory. So, tagal ko na rin hindi nakakapunta dito tsaka nakakabili. So ang special dito ay mga hopia, obviously. But our favorite would be the Buyas hopia. Nakabili din tayo ng munggo. Di ba, te? So, yun yung specialty nila dito. Munggo hopia, kondol, and all that. Ayan, so magte-testing na tayo. Alright, so guys, meron daw silang bagong flavor. Hopia pulveron. Uy, may cookies and cream pinipig peanut. Okay to ah. Tas yema hopia. Pastillas, cheese, and all that. Nice. Munggo, okay. So, munggo hopia, ito yun. 10 pieces per pack.
Ganito hindi pa tayo.
Try tayo ng munggo. Guys, sobrang sarap. Bagong luto. Nako, flaky yung labas niya. Very sweet yung nasa loob. Really good.
Hopia nga ni.
Siyempre yung next natin yung hopia na baboy. Tawag nila dito hopia baboy. Pero sibuyas. Tama ba? Kundol? I don't know. Ito yung dinadala ng lola ko. It has a distinct flavor
Because of the
na hindi ko ma-explain. Tastes a little bit like pork yata. I don't know.
Because of the sibuyas.
Because of the sibuyas. It's really good. Childhood memories. May baon na si ate. Okay, let's continue. Ito yung laman ng hopia baboy, kondol. So let's go to our next stop. Okay guys, we are at our next destination and dito kami nagpapagawa ng mga Lucky Charms. This is Jade Tan Feng Shui Shop. Ando na sila. Okay, tara, pasok tayo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is for money and health. And everything. And all the luck in the world. Susuotin na natin. Para maswertehin pa ako. So, ito dito ko rin siya binili. For ano po to? For
Money din.
For money din to. I bought this 2 years.
Ilan ate?
2 years ago. What is 2 years ago? Tapos dito po kami laging bumibili ng mga charms and crystals. So yun. Yay! try natin yung Taiwanese sausage kung kasing lasa niyo yung sausage sa Taiwan. Legit! Yeah, it tastes the same with the one we ate in Taiwan. So, 70 pesos isa. Okay na siya. Okay, we're gonna try their magic pie yung tawag nila. This is the same as yung binili natin sa Rauho na pepper buns. So, let's try it. Look, very juicy inside, tapos lasang-lasang scallions. Beef to pork? Pork we ordered. Para siyang lumpiang Shanghai na nilagay sa loob ng bun. That's really good. Guys, nag-stop din kami to buy vegetables. Yung sila Anton. Tapos ako bumili rin ako ng kanina pa ako naglalaway. So bumili din ako. Hindi ko lang mabuksan. Thank you po! Hi! So, may nakita kami dito. I don't know if this is an unexpected stop, pero sinabi ni ate, stop daw kami. Ito yung may drink, tapos merong dumplings on top. So, it's combo. So, ito try natin. So, we're just waiting for our order.
Libreng mani.
Libreng golden money. They have free golden money inside. So, yun they sell pan-fried baozi and drinks. And bumili tayo ng pearl milk tea. So, tinatry ni Anton. Masarap. Tapos kami ni ate, hinihintay pa namin yung sa amin. Kasi yun yung merong fried baozi. Tapos niluluto pa lang ni ate dun sa likod. Ayan o. We finally got the
What we deserve.
fried bao with oolong tea. So we're gonna try it. Ako muna.
Ay, bakit nagluto pa, di ba? Pag may kinakain. Paminsan may ginagat, may pagkat...
Super init. Medyo makapal yung balat. Crispy yung edge. I mean yung bottom. Kasi syempre, yun yung fried portion. Tapos, scallion and pork inside. Kasi sarap din ng sausawan nila. Look at what's inside. Next ko, tignan natin yung lasa ng ulong. So, it's really handy. Kasi you can see, dumplings are on top. Tapos, inom ka na lang gano'n, no? Ang sarap din ng ulong. We're gonna make them try then.
May subo akin.
Masarap siya. Hi! We're now at our last stop. Pero mukhang matatagalan tayo dito sa last stop natin kasi sobrang haba ng pila. So, nandito tayo sa Ying Ying. One of my favorite Binondo restaurants. If not, my favorite Binondo restaurant. Pinilit ko talagang pumunta dito today kahit alam kong maraming tao. Kasi holiday today, pero pinilit ko pa rin pumunta dito. Kasi nga na-miss ko na yung food nila. So later on, pag nakapasok na kami, which is later pa dahil ang haba ng pila, we're gonna show you what we usually order here, what our recommendations are, and yun, samahan niyo kami. Ayan, so si ate kinuha na niya yung menu kasi hindi na siya nakapagpigil.
Para alam ko na order.
Sige, ano mga in-order
So,
natin?
orderin natin sa page 1.
So, per page dapat yung order. Pero yan, for your information, yan yung Okay, lipat next. Okay, we have dim sum, mami noodles, ano pa? Congee and toppings, rice toppings. Yan, more and roasting. Order tayo niyan mamaya. Veggies, beef fried rice, pork and chicken, shrimps, squid, noodles ulit. Parang umulit yung noodles. Ayan. Medyo marami yung food nila. Pero the usual Chinese menu yung meron sila. May mga frozen goods din sila. Di ba ate, bumibili ka din ng frozen?
Ito,
Okay.
yung si Elsa 1.
Okay, Elsa 1.
And then, of
Tapos
course,
mga drinks. Syempre, order din tayo ng drinks later. So here are some of the favorite namin ang ordered dito. So, we have ordered, of course, yung chow fried rice, yung lechon kawali nila, 1/4 yung binili namin. Nag-order din kami ng fried wonton. Meron din kami pork and shrimp noodle. Tapos, umorder din kami ng pork. So, ito yung usual na yung order. Pero sometimes, nagbabago rin kami ng order. Like, for example, ito rin sa staples namin ang sweet and sour pork. Pero hindi kami nag-order ng sweet and sour pork ngayon. Kasi ewan ko, hindi kami nag-order. Those are some of the recommended food na palagi namin in-order dito. Tapos of course, lagi din kami umorder ng gulam, black gulam na mga, which is also very good. So, kain muna kami. Okay, so pinuha namin yung bill and we're done eating. So, ano ba masasabi ko? It's been quite a while since the last time I ate here. I don't know, parang medyo nag-iba yung quality ng food nila. I don't know if it's just me. Or dahil matagal na akong hindi kumakain. Pero, it's still okay. It's still good for Chinese food. But, parang for me lang, maybe it's just me, parang nag-apply yung quality. Kinumpare ko siya dun sa Honglan Garden. I'll make a separate post about it. It's also one of our favorite Chinese restaurants. And it's in Banawi naman. Honglan Garden, you mean. And compared to that, kasi parang similar price points sila. Very similar items in their menu. And I like the quality of their beverages. So I don't know if it's just parang matagal na akong last kumain dito or what. But I felt like the quality of food was, but masarap pa rin naman siya. So, masarap and it's still very affordable. So, if you're in Binondo, I still would highly recommend for you to. I would also close this vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed the Binondo food trip, the Quiapo adventures with us. With that, I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone. Thank you so much for watching the vlog, and I hope you like and subscribe. Please do not forget to do that. And I'll see you again next time for another adventure. Thank you so much. Bye, everybody.